Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 585, and today I am going to discuss about the medicinal importance of peanut, that is we call groundnut, and this peanut is a very good medicinal fruit for skin and heart. It protects cardiovascular system, and at the same time also it reduces the chances of uh, cancer. This peanut is a very, we can say, unusual type of fruit because the development of this fruit takes place underground and the flower is aerial outside. That's why it is subterranean fruit, and some of them they still believe that groundnut or peanut is root or tuber, and it is called groundnut because the fruit develops underground and its origin goes to South America, Brazil and Peru, and some 3,500 years ago it was cultivated in Brazil and Peru, and from there it came to Europe and slowly Asia and Africa, and today it is cultivated globally. And this peanut is nowadays getting lot of popularity, and now peanut butter is becoming very popular as compared to animal butter. The reason is that peanut butter is very rich in niacin, that is called vitamin B3, and in general it is rich in 8 vitamin B, that is B complex, that is called biotin, and which was known previously as vitamin H, but that vitamin H is now called vitamin B complex. So because of that reason, this peanut butter is very popular worldwide, and it is nutrient as compared to animal butter. Secondly, there is no chance of animal cholesterol in this. So if you see the nutritional value of peanut butter and animal butter, peanut butter is far superior. It is packed with antioxidants, and very interesting publication was there recently by Harvard group of phytochemists, and they mentioned that this peanut oil is, the profile of peanut oil is same like olive oil, that is zaitun oil. This is very interesting latest publication because olive oil superiority goes to its unsaturated fatty acid, that is called linoleic acid, and this olive oil, zaitun oil, contains 80% mono unsaturated fatty acid, that is linoleic acid, and 20% saturated one. So latest analysis shows that this groundnut, or we call it peanut, in Indian language it is called mumfali, and I think in North India they call it gida. So this oil is really now gaining lot of popularity globally because of its antioxidant property and anti-inflammatory property, and for skin also it is very good. So after that analysis, they have given that we can substitute olive oil with groundnut oil because the profile is same. Groundnut also contains 80% polyunsaturated fatty acid, that is linoleic acid, and 20% saturated, same like olive oil. And the second very important phytochemical information is latest information that it is very rich in antioxidant in the same way like red wine. Because this red wine is mainly French drink, alcoholic drink, and it is popular in throughout the Europe. And because of this very rich presence of polyphenolics, antioxidants, this red wine is protecting French and European from cardiovascular problem and even from reducing the risk of cancer cells, because it is drastically reducing the oxidative stress, because they are capable of neutralizing drastically free radicals. So the latest publication shows that the value of antioxidants in groundnut is the same like red wine. So if we are using as a cooking oil in our food, this is very interesting. Many people, they don't know the phytochemicals of groundnut oil. And if you see the price, what value is added to olive oil, zaitun oil? Of course, spiritual is different, because in our holy book it is mentioned that is different issue. But chemically speaking, the chemistry of olive oil and groundnut oil is the same. Unsaturation, that is 80%, linoleic acid in both cases, and 10% saturated. So the profile is same. It's very interesting. So why should we pay for 5 times or 6 times more price to get olive oil? Rather than we should go for groundnut oil. And those who are not alcoholic, those who are not taking the grape red wine, they can substitute with groundnut oil, because the antioxidant, what it is present there, that one they claim, and it is true, that it is full of loaded with antioxidants. So groundnut oil is also loaded with the same quantity of antioxidants like red wine. So if we are using groundnut oil, it is working as a food, vegetable oil, as well as a medicine. This is the latest information about the ground oil. It is rich in vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin K. Also it is rich in minerals like calcium, magnesium and copper, and it is very good for your skin because of the presence of B complex. It is coenzyme, so it is having very good enzymatic action, and it can enhance our reaction, especially in digestive system, and it will not allow the deficiency of niacin, that is B3. And B3 supplement is sold in the name of nicotinic acid, that is nicotinamide. So that nicotinamide, rather than taking from outside synthetic one, please shift to groundnut oil. So I have already told you a lot of medicinal importance of peanut oil, which we can well compare with olive oil, and for antioxidant property we can compare with red wine. So the peanut, which is commonly known as groundnut, and Indian name is Mumphali, and in North Asia they call it Geda, and the botanical name is Arachis hypogaea, and it belongs to family Leguminaceae. And the first very important product is, that is peanut butter, which is very popular nowadays and can be used as a substitute of animal butter. It is more nutrient as compared to animal butter, since it contains niacin, that is vitamin B3, and peanut fruit can be compared with walnut and almond. Actually, this is very interesting thing again to note. Walnut and almond, they are very costly oil bearing nuts globally, and they are very rich in omega 3 and omega 6 fatty acid, that is linoleic acid, and the same linoleic acid we have in groundnut oil. So we can substitute this groundnut oil with very costly almond and walnut, which is out of reach. For example, maybe 400 gram we can get in 4,000 naira in Maiduguri store. And for 4,000 naira, we can get 4 or 5 mudu, that maybe 4 or 5 kilogram. So there is difference of 10 times. And this is very good. And in India also, this ground nut in some area like Bihar state, they call it Chinia Badam. Means they compare it with almond. So number 2, it is rich in fat, vitamins and proteins. The vitamins are B1, B3 and some other group of vitamins are also there. Total number are 8, that is called B complex. And it is rich in vitamin C, vitamin E and K. They are very powerful antioxidants. Minerals are calcium, magnesium, potassium and copper in traces. And all these are without saturated fatty acids. And number 3, peanut contains significant amount of unsaturated fatty acid, and that unsaturated fatty acid is called linoleic acid, or if you fix the position, it is called omega-3 fatty acid. There's a very interesting thing. These are all latest research findings. That is linoleic fatty acid, and this human body cannot synthesize this omega-3 or linoleic fatty acid. Our human body cannot synthesize, so we have to take from outside in our diet. So we have to put in our diet as a supplement, and it must be supplied in the diet. Linoleic acids play a very important role in formation of skin and brain tissues. Linoleic acid also plays very important role in providing energy to our heart muscles. That's why it is healthy for our heart. And number 4, peanut is excellent source of biotin. Biotin means it is all 8 B complex together is called biotin, and previously it was called as vitamin H, and it is replaced by B complex. And number 5, peanut is heart healthy because it contains 80% monounsaturated fatty acid, just like same olive oil, and it is having the same antioxidants, very rich like red wine. I have already told you all this. So overall, in conclusion, peanut or groundnut oil is the best oil. We can compare well with any international oil, either corn oil or the olive oil. So today I am hearing that in 60s, Kano and Borno state, they used to have pyramid of groundnut, and they were net exporter of groundnut. So I wish that in future they should have the same status, and let them grow plenty of groundnut, and it has big international market. Thank you very much for watching the lecture.